often think someone is staring at them near the shed? कौन अक्सर सोचता है कि कोई उसे शेड के पास घूर रहा है? Answer is brother.
What does the brother claim is hiding under the shed's floorboards? भाई का दावा है कि शेड के फर्श के नीचे क्या छिपा है? Answer is ghost.
What will supposedly happen if the narrator enters the shed? यदि कथावाचक शेड में प्रवेश करता है तो क्या होगा? Answer is chopping.
What does the narrator plan to do one day with the shed's door? वर्णनकर्ता एक दिन शेड के दरवाजे के साथ क्या करने की योजना बनाता है? Answer is open.
How many cracked panes of glass are in the shed's window? शेड की खिड़की में कितने कांच के टूटे हुए शीशे हैं? Answer is 3.
Who does the narrator believe is making strange noises in the shed? वर्णनकर्ता का मानना है कि शेड में अजीब आवाजें कौन कर रहा है? Answer is ghost.
What has been gone from the shed's web for a long time? शेड के जाल से बहुत समय से क्या गायब है? Answer is spider.
What does the brother use the shed for? भाई शेड का उपयोग किस लिए करता है? Answer is den.
What does the narrator hear when lying in bed? बिस्तर पर लेटे हुए वर्णनकर्ता को क्या सुनाई देता है? Answer is creaking.
What does the narrator intend to do with the shed's window one day? वर्णनकर्ता एक दिन शेड की खिड़की के साथ क्या करने का इरादा रखता है? Answer is open.
Who tells lies about the shed to scare the narrator? कथावाचक को डराने के लिए शेड के बारे में झूठ कौन बताता है? Answer is brother.
What is the condition of the shed's hinges? शेड के कब्जों की स्थिति क्या है? Answer is rusty.
What does the brother threaten to do if the narrator enters the shed? अगर वर्णनकर्ता शेड में प्रवेश करता है तो भाई क्या करने की धमकी देता है? Answer is chop.
What does the narrator believe isn't real in the shed? वर्णनकर्ता को क्या लगता है कि शेड में असली चीज नहीं है? Answer is ghost.
When does the narrator plan to enter the shed? वर्णनकर्ता शेड में कब प्रवेश करने की योजना बनाता है? Answer is soon.
Fill in the blanks. There's a blank at the bottom of our garden. Answer is shed.
The blank are rusty and creak in the wind. Answer is hinges.
When I'm in blank, I lie and I listen. Answer is bed.
I'll open that door blank. Answer is soon.
There's a dusty old window blank the side. Answer is around.
With 3 cracked blank of glass. Answer is panes.
Each time that I blank, I often think there's someone staring at me. Answer is pass.
My brother says there's a ghost blank the shed. Answer is in.
Who hides under the blank floorboards? Answer is rotten.
And if I ever dare to set blank inside? Answer is foot.
He'll jump out and blank off my head. Answer is chop.
But I'll take a blank one day. Answer is peek.
My brother tells lies to keep the shed blank his den. Answer is for.
And the spider has been gone from his web since I blank know when. Answer is don't.
I'll go into that shed one day blank but not just yet. Answer is later.
Give the answers in true or false. The shed is located at the top of the garden. शेड बगीचे के शीर्ष पर स्थित है. Answer is false.
The speaker is afraid to open the shed door. वक्ता शेड का दरवाजा खोलने से डरता है. Answer is true.
There are cobwebs across the window of the shed. शेड की खिड़की पर मकड़ी के जाले लगे हैं. Answer is true.
The speaker believes someone is actually staring out of the window. वक्ता का मानना है कि कोई सचमुच खिड़की से बाहर देख रहा है. Answer is false.
The speaker's brother physically stops them from entering the shed. वक्ता का भाई उन्हें शेड में प्रवेश करने से शारीरिक रूप से रोकता है. Answer is false.
The speaker knows the ghost story is a lie to keep the shed for the brother. वक्ता जानता है कि भूत की कहानी भाई के लिए शेड रखने के लिए एक झूठ है. Answer is true.
The spider web on the door is currently occupied. दरवाजे पर लगा मकड़ी का जाला अभी किसी के कब्जे में है. Answer is false.
The speaker plans to break into the shed. वक्ता शेड में घुसने की योजना बना रहा है. Answer is false.
The poem is written from the perspective of an adult. यह कविता एक वयस्क के दृष्टिकोण से लिखी गई है. Answer is false.
The poem takes place in winter. कविता सर्दियों में घटित होती है. Answer is false.
The poem implies the shed is dangerous. कविता से संकेत मिलता है कि शेड खतरनाक है. Answer is true.
The speaker ever actually saw someone staring from the window. वक्ता ने कभी किसी को खिड़की से घूरते हुए देखा. Answer is false.
The speaker is curious but also hesitant and waits before entering. वक्ता उत्सुक तो है, लेकिन संकोची भी है और बोलने से पहले प्रतीक्षा भी करता है. Answer is true.
The speaker will never enter the shed. वक्ता कभी भी शेड में प्रवेश नहीं करेगा. Answer is false.
The poem suggests the brother uses the shed. कविता से पता चलता है कि भाई शेड का उपयोग करता है. Answer is true.